Hey everyone, want to edit this? First, import your clips and audio into Filmora. Then let's add mild video effect to the entire video. Then, for your first clip, add Scanline Effect 1 and Aesthetic Atmosphere Overlay. After that, add Chromatic Aberration Effect. Next, let's work on the transitions. Add the Glitch TV Signal transition to your first clip. Then add Basic Zoom In and Basic Zoom Out transitions to the rest of your clips. For the text, use the Blur and Title effect. Customize the text however you like, and then click on Advanced to edit it. Add a black outline to make the text stand out more. For the other text, duplicate the previous one, change the content to whatever you want, and switch the font to Bebas. And that's it. You're all done. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.